Hi guys, time for a little tear down. A wine box, cardboard box, got a plastic bag in it, or a silvered plastic bag, which is attached to a valve or a tap. So I've cut the silver bag off this one because I was going to throw it away. And then I thought, well, let's have a little look inside and see what's inside it. Basically, that sits on the side of your box of wine, and to let the wine out, you squeeze it like that. So this is clearly spring loaded, and when you squeeze it, it lifts that center section away from the tube at the base, so the wine can flow out. So I think this is just a push fit on top. Or is it more than a push fit? Is it welded in place? It looks like it's welded in place. Certainly doesn't want to come off easily. Yeah, that doesn't want to come off easily. It will come off because I'll make it come off. I'm wondering if it's a plastic spring or whether it's a metal spring in there. It looks like we're free. I'll just check we're in focus. So that's the outer edge. That's the valve. That is a silicone, rubbery silicone. So that's what's making the seal down in the bottom there. And there must be, what was the spring then? I think it was just the silicone itself. It was providing the spring. Yeah, that was it. It's just the silicone itself being a tight fit in there, providing the spring effect. Because as you're pulling that up, that's actually expanding and gripping tighter. So there's no metal spring, it's just this silicone valve. Which I would think if I pull hard enough, it will come off. Or is that? I'll put them. Oh, there we go. And that's what was holding that in place. And that little shape there, I think, is designed to direct the water flow, the wine flow. Because it would still work without that there, but I expect as the wine flows in, it hits those little veins and is redirected, causing it to flow out evenly, I would think. And that's our springiness, just that. So that clamped on there, like that holds it in place. And then that simply, because of its springiness, grips on the inside as you pull it up. Or at least it did before I took it apart. So there you go, that's what's inside the valve or the tap on your box of wine. I suppose I could just show those of you who don't know what I'm talking about. Inside it's just a plastic bag that is sealed onto. Oh, I just opened it and wasted a little bit of wine. Right, well, I'll clean that up and put that away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us a comment so we know how we're doing.